Well, as you can see, I'm not in Texas anymore. And, well, you can guess where I'm at. Anyways, try and get some hunting in. Feels good. Haven't done this in a long time, so got my partner, my bro, and well, this is how it looks. All right, heading back. Saw one bird, but it wasn't after the dog, so got to do the right thing when you have a dog. There she is. So hopefully we see something else walking back, but we shall see. All right, guys. No birds, but hell of an exercise today. And right now it's just about 2:15 in the afternoon, and probably about an hour is going to be pitch black, but that's okay. Out in the woods, carrying a shotgun, life can be worse, especially I haven't done this in years. So what can I say? Whew. Nej, surra för mig själv. There we go. Sweaty. And I mean, sweaty. I'm sweating our asses off. Oh! Alright. Turn around. Alright, that's it, guys.